So guys, next method, use command from to check directory. So click to start, otherwise Windows R, and type cmd, okay, and then type dir space slash a, then okay, then del, and then type run, okay, and then close it. Then next method, clean boot with ms config. So guys, click to start and type run, click on, then type ms config, then click to ok, go to the services tab and click and hidden all, like, and click to disable all, then apply, and then okay, and then uh, without restart you complete all the method and restart. So this is a sfc scanner. So how to run, this is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open cmd, click to start and type cmd, right click to run as administrator, then yes. So this is first command, okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually, okay. So step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.